Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how to screen record on Windows 10, how to video record on Windows 10. But before that, please subscribe to this channel, like, and give a thumbs up to my videos because I'm about to blow your mind. I'm about to blow your mind. Guys, I'm giving you this wonderful personal habit tracker that I just made, right? I just made on Windows 10 on my Google Sheet. So if you're one of those my friends that said I have a laptop but I don't even know what to use it for, you are in the right channel. Alright, you are in the right channel. Welcome to Kanye's Knowledge Hub. Here we'll be learning how to use our laptop for good use. How to put it to good use. So please stay tuned while I show you how to go about using your laptop. And if you stay tuned to the very end, I'm going to show you the habit tracker too. Let's get right into it. Get OBS Studio for screen recording on Windows 10. Go straight to Chrome. If you are yet to download the OBS Studio application on your app, go straight here and download OBS. How do you do that? You click or you type in into Google OBS projects, obsprojects.com. Alright, click enter. It loads up the page. Come to this navigation area and click download. Then you'll be able to see this is Windows, this is for Apple. If you come right here, you'll be able to download it. But because I've already downloaded it before, I'm just going to do Ctrl J to load up my download history. If I scroll down here, you see I have downloaded and installed the app on my Windows 10. I have installed it. So here is how it's going to look after you've installed it on your desktop. Once you double click on this, it's going to load up like this. Alright, so this is the OBS 30.2.3 version, and it is showing right here on my screen, as you can see at your end. This is the controls section. I would like you to get familiar with it. This is the scene transition section. You want it to fade in and fade out. This is the audio mixer section. This is the sources. This is the scene. One thing I need you to know is without a scene, you can't create a source. Without a source, you cannot create your video. So take for example, I switch this off and I switch this off. It means my screen is blank. But once I switch it back on, I have my screen back as well. So how do you create a source? How do you create a source? You can delete this source using this navigation bar right here. This, I highlight it, then I delete it. Are you sure you wish? Of course I'm sure. So I deleted that so I can create a fresh one for you guys. So you click this plus button and it loads up this drop down menu or drop up menu. Then you click display capture, then you name it whatever you want it to be. Navigating OBS, whatever name comes to your mind, you can give it. Then automatically you say okay. Right, this is your screen. One thing I love about OBS is this mirror effect that keeps going inward and inward, right? So another thing I would like to show you is this settings. If you want to choose a better video output, you come to the settings, you see, then you click output. You come down to recording section. Because I'm recording right now, it's not going to show me, but I'm going to give you guys a screenshot of what it looks like. The recording quality, your recording format is best in MP4. Also choose a high quality video format or video quality. Okay, moving forward, I would like to show you this video section. When there is a drop down here, this base resolution, ensure you pick. What it does is it helps you to determine whether your video should be small, I mean like this, small like this, all right, or full page like this. Now moving forward to the dorks section right above here. In the dork section, you can switch on and off your sources, your controls, your audio mixer, and your what? Yes. And here you have just the screen. I so much love this mirror effect, guys. So if I want them back on, I'm just going to tick them like so. Easy peasy, guys, easy peasy. Lastly, for the OBS, I'll be showing you how to show your face over here. Please note, you can increase the size, you can reduce it as much as you want, whatever takes your box, guys. So I'd come to this plus to show my face. I've been talking for so long, I want to show you guys my face in this video. I'm just going to come straight to video capture device, then I name it whatever, and I say okay. It loads up in that manner. And boom, laka, you see my face right there, guys. You say okay, you can reduce the size, okay, you can move it anywhere to any part of your video. You can give it any size you want, guys. So that's how it works. Amazing, right? So because you have stuck so long on this video, I want to show you something amazing I just created, because you watched till the very end, guys. This is my Chrome. On my Chrome, I just built my personal habit tracker. My personal habit tracker, all right, has this check boxes that I can use to track my habits from January to February to March, April, May, and June. So while I was creating this, I thought of you guys, and I'm like, I need to give you, because you guys are the most and the best of the best in the world, because you've decided to watch my videos. So I'm just going to duplicate this now and give it to you for free. I'm going to add the link in the description section below, right, so that you can track your habits for the year 2025 and know how you're doing. So I'm just going to right click and paste it. Good. So I change June to July. I believe you guys love it. Please let me know what you think about the interface. Let me know what you think about the interface. So how do you use this? I went to bed on time today. Today is 1st of January or 1st of February. I take it how many times in the month, and then this habit tracker also has my goal. How many times do I want to go to bed early in February? Say 20 times, for example. And then there is a formula here that say equals count if B20 to AF20 is true. Count if I tick from here to here, count it, so that at the end of the month I'll be able to differentiate, oh, was I able to eat my goal, and what will be my reward? A+ plate of jollof. Oof, I love jollof rice. If you love jollof, please drop it in the comment section, guys. So a plate of jollof for going to bed on time. So whatever habit it is you want to track, this would help you. So I'll keep on duplicating this, right? I'll keep on duplicating this. Okay, great. I'll keep on duplicating this in this manner. Paste. Okay, June, July, August, September, October. I noticed it's not copying the old table, so I'm just going to reselect it. All right. Oh, great. Like that. So I'll drop how this will look just for you to copy and paste on your Excel. This is my Google Excel. This can work on any laptop and on any phone. Okay, so we can paste it right here, and there we have it. We can keep on tracking. We can keep on tracking our can keep on tracking our habits for the whole year. So easy peasy, guys. If you want to learn how this is done, I'm going to create it in the next video for you, but that depends on you people's response. If you drop a comment on this video that we want to learn how to use Excel to create our personal habit tracker, then I'm going to create a video on how I do this beautiful one. Okay, guys, so that would be it for today. Please subscribe, share with a friend you feel needs all of this, and see you guys next time. Bye bye.